Fabulous Figures, I'm sharing with you the secret drawing system that I created for my online students. One of my favorite things to do as an artist is to encourage and nurture other people to create as well, because I know the kind of joy and happiness and delight that it brings into my own life. And what does the world need more of? It needs more happiness. In Fabulous Figures, we start with heart lines. This is a system that I've developed that uses love hearts, which is fun and easy to remember to help you to start constructing the figure. We can also use the heart lines to create different proportions and movements. So we can create whimsical styles, children, juicy or bigger figures, fashionized figures. You can use those proportions to help you create whatever you want to, even profiles. I even cover drawing faces and hair, because when you're drawing the figure, the face is actually quite small proportionally, but it carries a lot of visual weight. And drawing a small face, there are some little secret tips and techniques that I love passing on. And because my publishers are kind of completely awesome, there are some gorgeous surprises or extra benefits in the book. Let's start with the sheet of stickers. Use them as a reward. Every time you finish a chapter, peel off a sticker and place it somewhere that reminds you how much you love drawing. And we've even included a template sheet of the heart. So they're already pre-punched. You just need to push them out. You can trace around them and use them to help you pre-visualize what it is that you want to create. I'm serious when I tell you how much easier this will make drawing fabulous figures. You will be writing me a little love letter. There are 3 types of different templates in the back of the book, and they're all designed to help you not just learn this system, but to remember it and use it for yourself. And we've also included a nice little handy pocket in the back cover of the book for you to place those templates so that they're always there, ready for you as you practice the techniques. The book is also an e-course, and you are absolutely invited. Follow the links and find out all about it. And with just a little bit of practice, you will be drawing all sorts of figures in all of your artwork, in your art journaling, in your projects, in your sketchbooks, and just enjoying it, forgetting about perfection, just having fun. That's all I want for you.